Good Monday evening, Southeast Texas, and happy Labor Day. Looking at modeling, there's good agreement between the GFS and the European as far as a trough of low pressure moving on down into the high plains and central plains well north of our area. It looks like, though, unfortunately, the cold air will not reach our area, instead staying stationary and locked back into northwest Texas. The models have flip-flop back to a much warmer scenario. We stay into the 70s coming up as we head towards Friday morning. Gone are the 50s and 60s. And the other model, the European, showing pretty much the same thing. Unfortunately, just not doing a good job right now. I think it's mainly because there are fewer aircraft in the air, and those aircraft are gathering wind data, and that goes into our forecast models. With the pandemic, modeling may be taking a beating as far as that goes. Didn't do real well with this scenario. Hopefully we can get a cold front in here before the end of the 7-day forecast, but I don't think that's real likely. Tonight, everything should be winding down across the area over the next few hours, looking at mostly clear skies tonight. Could get down into the lower 70s in the lakes area and into the mid to upper 70s in the triangle. Tomorrow we'll go with partly sunny skies, about a 30% coverage in the triangle, and about a 20 to 30% coverage in the lakes area. Still think we'll get into the lower 90s. In the tropics, watching, well, the 16th and 17th named storms of the year. We have Paulette and Renee, both of them setting records as the earliest named 16th and 17th named storms ever recorded since 1851. Renee beat Rita's record set back in 2005. First off, Paulette expected to slowly strengthen. It's going to combat quite a bit of shear and also some dry air. But right now, it appears that this will turn off towards the north, being a fish mixer or a fish storm, if you will. And the same thing with Renee. Renee is forecast to become a hurricane as it heads off towards the west and then begins turning off towards the north because of a break in the subtropical ridge, a weakness there as those fronts are going in through the North Atlantic. They pick those storms up. On the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow, looking at slightly choppy seas around 1 to 2 feet in your coastal marine forecast. A southeast wind at 10 knots. Water temperature 87. Our forecast this evening, things winding down. It'll be warm and humid as skies go mostly clear. It could get in the lower 70s in the lakes, mid to upper 70s in the triangle with a south to southeast wind. At this point, go with a 20 to 30% coverage. High temperatures lower 90s with southeasterly winds. And as we head through midweek, rain chances start really dwindling as temperatures go up ahead of that front. That'll stall, unfortunately, to our west, and that means, well, highs into the mid-90s, while West Texas see temperatures highs maybe in the 40s and 50s, and that will carry on through the weekend. However, scattered showers and storms expected Saturday and Sunday. Pretty healthy chance of rain developing by Monday. Download our app. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.